paper planes! Let's make a silhouette drawing today. For this, we will make 4 boxes. Yes, we can tape this entire paper with the help of a masking tape. This is also called a paper tape. Why don't we make a plus sign and make 4 boxes? After that, it's time for us to color this. Let's take pink color first and start coloring. You know which box I'm talking about? That's great. After that, why don't we take a darker pink and start coloring? We will try and merge both the colors. After we are done with that, why don't we take purple color? Yes, let's take purple color and start coloring on the top. Doesn't this look great? And well, colorful as well. Now, why don't we give this a little finishing touch up to the box? That's lovely. Now let's take a tissue paper, fold it and start smudging the colors. We can do this from top to bottom. Now it's time for us to take the second color. This time we will be coloring from a darker color to a lighter color. All we have to do is start with the darker green and merge a lighter green with it. Let's do this together. And finally, let's take the lightest green we have. Now, it's time for us to smudge it again. Let's smudge it with a different tissue paper. We can also do some finishing touch-ups with our green. Well, now comes my favorite color, red. So let's take the red color and start with the next box. Let's color a little darker with the red and then a little lighter. That's great. Once we are done with that, why don't we take orange color? And after that, we are going to take yellow color. Yes, you can use deep yellow for the same. This looks lovely. Now, let's start smudging it with our tissue paper. Great! And finally, we have our last box with us, which is blue color. Let's take a darker blue first. Once we are done with that, let's take a lighter blue. And why don't we merge the lighter blue with white color? That's perfect! Now it's time for us to take a pencil and start creating a beautiful silhouette drawing. For the silhouette drawing, we will be making a beautiful tree. Yes, let's start making the tree and coloring inside. You can take a 4B or a 6B pencil for your entire experience to be smoother. Why don't we color this nicely? Also, if you wish to, then you can make more such branches. Or you can also make another design altogether. And finally, it's time for us to remove all the masking tape. So, let's do this together. This looks lovely.
Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
I hope you had a lot of fun, friends. And for those of you who don't know me, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car, Bubbles. See you next time.